programme, we wanted to build and expand on the traditional author visits that Ilkley Literature Festival offered.
To put lots of effort and as much effort as we can into our work.
So this programme is more about building a collaborative relationship with schools and to have a meaningful impact of what they're doing in lessons. We offer something that has slightly more creative freedom than a traditional lesson, but it's still rooted in development and progress.
So the skills that we've seen a progression in has been confidence of voice, and today's session is focusing on that. Really, that ownership of voice, that ownership of going for the name games in terms of claiming your name. We've really seen how people have been able to claim their identities. That idea of really being open to share vulnerabilities.
To the judges, I learned that always try your best and you can never give up. A lot of teachers have been proud of me writing today, and I did so well and I was proud of myself.
I'm getting anxious about what's ahead of me and what challenges I'll face in the future, like making new friends and moving to a new house.
Oh, it's been absolutely fantastic. I mean, it's just the opportunity that we needed. It's allowed lots of doors to open, especially for our Year 7 students who are just starting out. It's given them a chance to meet writers, experts in their field. It's given them the opportunity to reflect on their own experiences, to get them to think about, their lives and, where they've come from and, what their hopes are. It's given them a chance just to think about their lives and their voices as being important.
I'll be sad to grow up, but I will always treasure my memories forever.
I think it's crucial that young people have a chance to be creative in whatever way, especially with writing, because it allows them to figure out what they think and feel and then express it and learn about who they are through it, and communicate who they are to other people and tell their own stories. You don't have to be in London. Writing something that you can do anywhere. You can do it from anywhere in the world, and we need more northern writers writing in the north and about the north and their experience as northerners.